You're watching Delmarva Life, and let me tell you something, the doctor is in the house. No, we are not talking about the doctor you might be thinking of. We're talking about the Pool Doctor, and I'm here with my friend Ralph Figueroa. He is the owner of the Pool Doctor. Thank you so much for having us here.
Well, thank you for having me here.
Yes, absolutely. So where are we right now? This is your warehouse, and this is your showroom.
Yes, this is our showroom.
And what's behind us right here?
We have our display pool, just a small 10 by 6 pool, and it's just something for the customer to come on in and get a little look or a sample of what they can get in their backyard.
You know, it's only February, but you know, people are really starting to think ahead to have these pools ready for the summertime, right?
Oh yeah. Now's the time, if you're looking for a pool for this summer, now's the time to act. And there's a lot of things that go into the factor of going into your pool, a lot of options and steps to go through.
Yes.
So one of the things that you want to start off with is just knowing your budget. Thinking about, high to low end of what you got going on. Because everything, like if you want something bad enough, you're going to get it if you can. But right now, you start off with that, and then you go into your land. A lot of things that factor into that.
What are the biggest things that people should look out for in terms of that?
There's two things. One is impervious coverage. That a lot of people don't think about. It's the amount of land, like concrete. Your house counts as like it's not impervious. Your driveway is not impervious. Any type of sidewalk is not impervious. So at that point, if you think you're within that threshold, you do have a chance to apply for a variance and see if we can't get it over the hurdle. But a lot of people don't think about that.
Yeah.
Along with that, think about the fence.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna need a fence around your pool. You can easily add $10,000 to your project just because of the fence.
Yeah.
And a lot of people don't want to swim in a cage. They like to turn around and basically fence out the backyard. And
you want that privacy, right?
You
When
want
you're-
that
when you're
privacy.
swimming and having all that fun in your new pool, right? And then you also have to figure out where, right? Where you're gonna put it.
That goes into back to the beginning part of the early stages of the impervious coverage, but then you need your plot plan. Do you have a well? Do you have a septic system? Are you on county? A lot of the different things to think about. So when you bring me your plot plan, I'm able to see where your septic is, where your well is, and placement of the pool. Then once you thought about that, how are you going to pay for this pool? Are you going to pay out of pocket? Are you going to finance some? Are you going to do a home equity line? So you want to think about exactly what you're going to do, and that goes along with planning your budget. So once you get past that part, you're looking at contracts. Let's say, for instance, we have a pool on sale. It's a 12 by 24. You're starting off at $34,500 right here at the Pool Doctor. Now that comes with electric, 3 foot of concrete, a pump and filter, and your permit. That's all that gets you. It'll be up and running, but you don't have a cover. You don't have your fence. There's so many things to think about. So in your contract here at the Pool Doctor, you're gonna see the very beginning, it's gonna show you the pool. It's gonna show you everything you get in it. Maintenance equipment, it's gonna show you everything you get in it. Then at the bottom, it's gonna start showing you add-ons like a salt system, heater, lights, a pool cover. That's gonna give us our final number. You have the option of taking some of those things out. You don't have to have it. You don't have to cover your pool if you don't want to. You want to though, trust me.
Absolutely.
And you wanna put a safety cover on your pool. You don't want a tarp and water bags. I don't feel they're safe whatsoever. And I'm all about safety. So you factor in those things of what extras you want, and that gives you your bottom line price.
We said a little bit at the beginning, people need to act fast, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
It is a process that goes on. You got to know all these things and make sure nothing's in your way to proceed forward. But yes, time is of the essence. If you want your pool, now's the time to think about it. Right, as of right now, everybody's roughly at least 2 months out.
Okay.
At least 2 months out right now. We are already building pools.
Yeah.
Right
that's
now.
Awesome. Well, all they have to do is follow your steps and follow your advice, and they'll have that pool ready in time for summer, right?
Yes.
Time to make a splash for the summer, right?
Time to
Did
make
you
a
like
splash.
that one?
Yes.
Delmarva Life, we'll be right back.
You know, I like Ralph. He is, I've been out on his job sites before, and he is there taking care of everything and overseeing everything. He's not the kind of owner who just sends out a crew and hopes that they do the job right. He is there.
Seems like he really pays attention to detail.
He definitely
make
does.
Sure everything, like there's nothing hidden. Like here, you know, that's
Yep.
great. You gotta love that.
Absolutely.